How to add audio to an image in KineMaster application. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can add audio to an image in KineMaster application. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to import your image where you want to add audio to KineMaster. After that, select your image in order to add the audio. So once you land on this editing page, in order to add audio, if you navigate to your right hand side, there is this audio option. Tap on audio. Now you have to select the audio from the KineMaster library. For example, I will select one of the random music from here, or if you don't want to select one from here, if you scroll this menu bar on your left hand side, there you have more options. If you want to upload your music from folders, your songs, albums, or if you have any recorded, you can do that as well. But for now, I will just select one random right here. If you want to add it, tap on the plus icon and then your audio will be added into your timeline, as you can see right here. Now with the help of your fingertip, you can simply press in the audio and drag it so that it will perfectly sync with your image at the top. Now in order to match the length, you can split the audio. Tap on the audio, you can close this, tap on the audio and then simply tap on trim or split and then tap on split, and there you go, the audio has been splitted. Now to delete it, again tap on the audio and here you will have the delete option at the top right. Tap on it and there you go. Now the half part of the music has been deleted. So in case if you want to increase its length, with the help of your two fingertip, you can expand your image along with your music as well. So that's the way to add audio on image in KineMaster application. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.